Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back 2023, 26th of September. Yes, we are here. Alright. Thank you very much. And over here, okay, just take a look. Alright, so today, I think it's going to be another exciting day, but of course, we will not make it exciting. We want to make it a very stable, professional, consistent profit day, right? Okay, and let me see. Alright, let me log into another. Well, okay, let me see. Well, out of nowhere, how come it is asking me to... Okay. So guys, give me a little while. I need to verify myself to enter. Okay. Yes, and what do you mean? Is it a new... No, this is not a new one. Yeah. Alright. Hi Hubert, nice to see you. Thank you so much. Alright, okay, so I guess we are coming in. Okay, so slowly. Okay. Well, yes. Right, Sabrina, yes, hi, thank you so much for coming in. Hi Eileen, nice to see you here. You're back. Alright, thank you so much for coming back. Well, yeah. Okay, so well, and once again we are back here again. Today is the Tuesday, and yesterday we have a nice plan on the pound dollar, right? Euro CAD, euro dollar. Well, they are all nice, beautiful, right? Okay, so today, today let's see what do we have here. Okay, today. Well, okay, so give me a little while. Let me get into my MT4. Right, pound dollar selling off by a few pips. I mean, I think 10 pips away, including of the spread today. Well, let's see. Where are we heading? Okay, where are we heading? Okay. So I find that today a little bit something that I find that amiss. Yeah, am I right? A bit. I think so too. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay, and let's take a look. Let me see. Is it on public? Yeah. Yes, I think so. Yeah. Wow, okay. Okay, yes, the pound dollar is selling off now. Am I right? Yeah, okay, just hang on. Okay, since it's selling off right now, we go and chase the low. Okay. Yeah. Let's not chase the low yet. Okay. All right. Okay, yep. And let's see. Okay. Let's see. Wait. Okay. Wait for me. Yep. Hi Bradley, nice to see you here. Yes. Right, Carol, yes. Nice to see you. Yes, Carol. Yeah. The Aussie timing has already changed. You know that? Oh, yes, I know. Yesterday. Yep. Starting off yesterday, right? Yeah. Okay. All right. And yep, we are coming in. Thank you so much. All right. Okay. Hi, Katib. Yes, nice to see you here. Dollar yen. All right, dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen. Let's take a look. All right, so let's take a look at dollar yen. Dollar yen will be on the bull side. Okay, it's only on the bull side. Okay, we have been talking about this with Casey. All right, in the Discord channel for a few weeks. I think last month. Okay, it was from last month. So it's still on the bull side. We are still looking out on the buy. So for the dollar yen, all right. For dollar yen, it's over here. We are looking at this area, and tentatively, okay, we are now over here. Okay, dollar yen. Yeah, dollar yen is still on the move to the north. Okay, there's no way it can stop. Yeah, especially where yesterday, okay, the Japanese intervention. Okay, so it really hits very, very hard that the yen is still going very weak. Okay, so for the dollar yen, okay, dollar yen, as we can see, since this morning in the Asia, we have already hit on the support. It bounced back, creating the highs here. All right. So I think over at this point, they have taken out the highs. Now they will be looking out for the lows here. After that, looks like this area. I don't think today they will be taking out the lows. Okay, so highly likely we'll be still looking out for more buying. Okay, so for dollar yen tentatively, all right, tentatively, if you are asking me, okay, I don't see any let me see, huh? Okay, yep, yes. You you noticed that, is it? Yes. Yeah, I got a 8K Ultra HD. 8K Ultra HD. Yeah. Hopefully to help to ease my eyes and have a sharper candle to look at. Okay. Yeah. Anyway. Alright, so for this area here, for the dollar yen, okay, dollar yen, cut it, okay, dollar yen is still on the buy side. If I'm looking at this area here, the buyers and earlier on for the 1 whole hour, okay, they are pushing the price up above to take this out, okay, and this is where the highs here, okay, yesterday highs. And now they are taken out. No, so now it's on another higher low, which is going to push for a higher high. Take out this liquidity. After the liquidity have been taken out over here, then likely we are going to swing back down to take the lows. But this is going to be temporary. Okay, it's only temporary selling off. But the general trend is still on the buy side. All right, cut it. Okay, it's still on the buy side. So dollar yen is still on the buy side, and which we can still be looking into the buy. All right. For dollar yen, okay, it's still on the buy side. So look out for area that can give you a buy. Like example, now this is area which actually trying to get these highs, but later on it may be coming back down here to take this area. Then after that, back to this 148.716 to take out the lows. Then they may be pushing even higher. But by looking into this area of accumulation, okay, this area of accumulation doesn't look like they are coming back. Okay, doesn't look like they are coming back. But by looking at 148.814, 148.814, yeah, this area will be good. This area will be good to have another good buy. Okay, Alright, 180, 148, 148.814. Okay, 148.814. That will be another good buy. Alright. Okay, so other than that, I think other than that, tentatively now they are still trying to take this out. Then after that, come back here. Right, cut it. That will be for the dollar yen. Okay. Alright, that will be for the dollar yen. Okay. Okay, so I think that is something good. Okay, for buying. Okay, for dollar yen. So I see that the dollar yen will be still on the buy side because we are still waiting. We are still waiting for more to come. Okay, for a good one, to come, then we will be able to see if the dollar yen will be actually good, to see that it will still continue to take out the highs, which is a previous month's highs. Okay, then after that, then we will see how it goes. Okay, all right. Okay, so that's for dollar yen. All right. Okay, let's come back here. Pound dollar. Let's take a look. Pound dollar, how is it going? Oh my god. Pound dollar, it went down even further. Okay. Hi. Yes, hi. E. Hey, I miss this so much that I decided to work from home today. Okay. Well, okay. Thank you so much. Right. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so yep, let's come in. Okay, let's come in. All right. Hi MK, nice to see you. Okay, let's take a look at the gold. Yes, yesterday the gold was doing very well, and we were like oh, congratulations Bradley, well done, GUTP. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's take a look at the gold. Yesterday we were talking about the gold. Okay, the gold was doing very well yesterday, which actually seems like it's going with our plans yesterday. All right. So yesterday we were talking about this. It went above, and but it did not clear 1929. All right, and it went down below. All right, it went down below to this. It went down below to this. Okay. This EMA 50, correct? Okay, then after that it started to swing off. Okay, it swing off right to hit our target of 1920s and continue to go further down. All right, it went further down over at this point here. Then we are after, yeah, yesterday we were talking about, because my target was actually looking at, and anyway it's still very far. Okay, we are still looking at 1870. 1870, correct? 1870 here. Okay, 1870. So 1870, that's still my target because the gold is on the downside. We are still looking at in a longer trend, okay, for it to swing over to 1870. So by looking into this area here, all right, we should get this off, and then let's move this down, because tentatively we are going to have a new area here. All right, so we have a few areas here. Okay, we have one area over here. Okay, this being the today resistant. I mean, let's check. Today. Yeah. Today we are looking out into taking this area, okay, where the EMA 50s are pointing to 1920. Okay, this is the resistant area that they may be taking out. But we are actually now coming to a support or one of the liquidity they wanted to take out. Okay, if I want to buy, okay, if I want to buy the gold, okay, put in a buy for the gold, I will wait for the gold to clear 1911.6. Okay, 1911.6. So 1911.60. Okay, that will be one. It will be clearing this off. After that, it has a chance that it's going to go for a buy to 1920.77. Okay, that is one area that I'll be looking out for. Other than that, sorry, hang on. I'm sorry, it should be 1918. Okay, 191896. 191896. All right, E, are you there, E? Okay. Hey, boss, E, are you there? You're my boss. Where are you? Where are you, boss? Okay, all right. So, okay, over here. Right, so 191896. All right, hi, JJ, nice to see you. Okay, so over here, and right, then we are looking into this. Okay, this area, 191896. Then after that, okay, once it clear 1911.6, then it will start to go back there. Okay, I think a buy will be coming in. We are from 1911.6 to 1918.96. Okay, totally here. Good. Thank you, boss. Okay, so if let's say, all right, let's say if the gold breaks 1911, okay, if this breaks 1911, okay, then we will be looking into this area here. All right, that it may be taking out this, it may be coming down to 1905. All right, 1905. Okay, 1905.51. Okay, right, 1905.51. Okay, yep. All right, so yep, and yep, and that is one. Okay, 1905.51. Yeah. If this breaks 1911.6, okay, 1911.6, okay, then there will be a good chance that a new resistance going to push for 1905. Okay, 1905.51. Right. So this whole area right now, it seems like we are right in the middle. Okay, we are right in the middle. Okay, all right. So that is one point here. So we just need to observe when it hits onto 1911.6. If the support comes in, likely is going to push for 1918. Okay, 0.96. Or when it breaks below 1911.6, highly likely it's going to take 1905.51. Right. Okay, that's for the goal. Okay, yes. All right, so yep, and then we are coming back here. All right, I think today is quite a good one. Okay, we are going to push, let's say, push for some profits, huh? Okay, anyway, yep, today for the pound dollar, well, wow, what a drop when I go live. They don't give us any chance. If not, there should be a good chance for entry here. Am I right? Okay, but anyway, let's take a look. Let's have a recap about yesterday. Okay, from yesterday. So yesterday we were talking about this area here, right? We're talking about some of the areas, right? So I think yesterday over here, we were talking about 122.443 yesterday when we start the selling. Correct. We start off the selling at 122.443 yesterday. Correct. So one touch sold off touches our target. Okay. After we went off line, it touches our target. Okay. So it hits the target. It bounced back to retest into 122.443. area. Okay, then it started to swing back to break this, and then we were hovering around until today. It stayed within this 122, 135, and then it continued to break off until now. So we are looking at now at the moment. I mean, this is not a support yet, huh? This is not really a support yet. Okay, So we still have 122,533, and we still have this whole range. Yesterday was talking about this area that it should be moving upwards to clear, correct? But it breaks 122,443 near to 122,533, and then it started to swing off from the left here until now. Well, it looks like yesterday we already broke one of the supports that we plotted yesterday, and looks like it's actually going down to 120, 174. Okay, 120, 174. So you know what? We have a very big gap down here. Okay, I think that's around 160, about 160 pips. Oh, amazing, right? Okay, 160 pips. Wow, it looks very juicy to me. Okay, around there, huh? Around there. Okay, so this is something very interesting. It's so juicy. But then again, is that with this drop today, right now, okay, I am actually looking into some selling. Of course, we should be only be looking out for some selling for the pound dollar. Am I right? Okay, but however, there may be some buying later on. Okay, to recover, to take out the liquidity of the Asian market. Then after that, we may be looking out for the selling. Okay, we may be looking out for the selling later on. Okay, to continue to go further down. Or today, will the pound dollar be on the rescue? Will that be? That means they'll be going up for the buy side. Highly likely, am I right? That possible. Okay, it's possible. However, we are in the bear market. Shall we go for any buying? For some pullbacks, maybe people like Bradley, the cowboy, yeah, he may be good with that. Okay, but I think for the rest, I think probably no. Okay, probably we should keep trading within the trend. Okay, keep trading within the trend. I think that should be our call. Okay. Yeah. So I think it's better that way, huh? All right. So that all of us will be good. Okay. So we'll be safe. Okay. To also cultivate our good habits as well. Okay, of course I don't mean if you're trading the pullbacks you are having bad habits or anything like that. Okay, all right, okay, that is one. Okay, that is one point here. Okay, so that will be good, and that is one. Then we are actually still moving towards the selling. Okay, so I will still see that we should be looking out for the selling. Okay, we should be looking out for the selling. All right, so I think for the selling wise, I think it should be still good. Okay, then we should be still waiting for the selling. Okay, then later on, let's wait for any point that it's going to hit the resistance. Okay, if it's going to hit on the resistance, then we should then be looking out for some selling there. At the moment, right now, I think I personally don't see any. Okay, so still good to wait. Okay, still good to wait. All right. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Okay, right, and well, probably, yeah. And guys, do you have any other currency pairs that you are looking out for? All right. Okay, right. Which part? Yeah. Hi, Christopher. Nice to see you here. Thank you so much. How was your pound dollar yesterday? Yeah. Okay, so yep, guys, let's see. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now tentatively we are still looking out for some buying over here. Pound dollar is still on the buy side. Okay, so hang on first. All right, hang on first. Hang on first. Okay. Yep. Okay, let's hang on first, and we are, because any point of time when it actually clear off some of the area and come up with and meet up with some of the even small resistance, it may also push it out for selling. So try not to trade against the trend first. Okay. Yep. And moreover, right? Moreover, yeah. Okay. Moreover, we are still running towards the south. We are still testing onto the support. Still waiting for the support. Tentatively, it shows that there's a support, but the setup is not there yet. Right. So probably after it meet up with some resistance up there, then maybe there will be another good chance for another round of selling. Okay. So let's see. Okay, so we have two key areas up there. All right, for it to test, maybe, yeah. Okay, yes, right, and yep. Once again, yes, I know. Right, so let's take a look at this area here. Right. Okay. Yep. Okay, yes, let me see. Okay. Hi, Jerry, nice to see you. Thank you so much for coming in. Yeah. How's your business today? I hope it's good. Okay. Right, and let's see. I'm waiting for a good chance to sell the pound dollar, but the pound dollar is still going, it's still going to test some of the resistance there. All right, so just hang on. Yeah, just hang on first. Okay. Yep. And let's see. Okay. All right. What's this actually? I don't know why the screen it become this way. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, for pound dollar, it's still on the buy side. Okay, we are going to likely to test into 121,934, 121,934. Okay, 121,934. Okay. So basically, let's wait for a little while, because this is only a bounce back. It doesn't seem like it's also a pullback. So it doesn't seem like it's still good. Okay. Okay, so hang on first. Okay. All right. Then yeah. Yep. Let's wait for a while. Okay, yep. All right, then over here. Let's wait. Okay, yes, Sabrina. Yep. So for pound dollar, tentatively, are we looking out for some resistance there? Where I cannot see any the resistance. Okay, the resistance is actually at 121.934. Okay, 121.934. Yeah. Yes. 121.934. Correct. That's right. Okay. Yep. Okay. Yep. Hi, Trinet. Hi. Nice to see you here. Thank you so much. Yeah. How have you been? How have you been? Wow. Okay. All right. Okay. And yep. Christopher. Then Christopher, yes. Can you look at the pound yen? Okay, pound yen. All right. Pound yen. Okay. Pound yen. Okay, pound yen today. We are actually very near to the resistance. I'm looking at this resistance at 181.795. If let's say if, all right, if 181.795 is actually holding down the resistance, I think that is good, because by looking into this, we can see very obvious that we have a very good liquidity down here to be taken. So we are very near to test into the resistance support level. So I'm looking out for I'm looking out for some selling over here. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So at this point here. All right. Okay. At this point here, the support 180.588. Okay, 180.588. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I think it should be quite good. Okay. Pound yen should be still on the selling side. All right, Christopher. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, it should be good. Yes. Yep. All right. And yep. All right. Yep. Okay. Okay. So now over at this point here. Okay. I'm not sure yet. Okay. I'm not sure whether I'm not sure whether the pound yen I'm not sure whether the pound yen is going to break this resistance. Okay, but if we can react accordingly, because at the moment, if we can see, all right, if we can see over here, the pound yen is actually now looking into testing the resistance, and it got rejected. Once it got rejected down, as you can see, we have a little support down here. Okay, we have a little support. Can you see a little support over here? Right, this support over here, and it got rejected for so many rounds. So once we got this cleared, okay, all right, highly likely we are going to break further down. Okay, we're going to break further down. All right. Okay, so I think that should be quite good, right? Okay. Yep. Okay. Yep. And yep. So over here. Okay. Let's see. All right, for Christopher, right? Christopher. Okay. Yep. Okay, pound kiwi for E. E, right? Okay, for the pound kiwi, do you think the pound kiwi has changed its trend? I think it has, and I have been waiting for a pullback, and my pullback expected range is large to 10,300. Oh. Right now, as I see for the pound kiwi is in the bear trend. Okay, it's in the bear trend. All right. And what else can I do to enter if the trend changed? Okay, it's in the bear trend. So if you're looking into 210, 208, 206, 210, 210. Let me check. 210. Let's take a look at 210 first. 210 300. Okay, 210 300. This as of now a bit too far away. Okay, but if you're looking into 26, okay, let me see. Okay, so no, 26 pullback. This is the resistance. Okay, let me plot it out. Then I'm going to zoom in. Okay, let's zoom in and take a look. Okay, zoom in, take a look, and we have about 205, 205, 877, 205, 877, which is the resistance level. Okay, about here, around this range. So the pullback for the pound Kiwi, wise should be looking out into 2053.43, 2053.43. Okay, yeah, 2053.43. Wow. Okay, so let's see. I would say that it will be good to wait for the pullback. Okay, it will be good to wait for the pullback to 2005, 2053.43. I think that will be quite a good one to go for a selling. Okay, this area, all right, E. Okay, the pullback over into this area. Okay, you have to pay attention to that because this area here. Okay, this area here, if 2005, 2057.24, 2057.24, which is able to hold as a resistance, then it can continue to go short. Okay, if not, if this is going to break above to set up a support and a buy signal, there will be a temporary change of trend, but it may be short term. Okay, just a short-term change to take another level, which is let me see. Then we'll be taking out another level up here. Okay, which is 20.6643. 20.6643. Okay, all right. So tentatively, by looking at this, it should be looking out for some buying. All right. There'll be some buying here, about 60 pips. All right, 60 pips. So there'll be some buying up here to test into this level or to take this resistance level at 20.57.24. If this resistance able to hold, then it can go on the selling. But if this is going to break above, then it's going to take 20.6643. Okay, all right. Yeah, that's one. Okay, that's for the pound Kiwi. Yeah, that's for the pound Kiwi. Okay, yeah. All right, so all right, so yep. Okay, E, are you there? Okay, yep. So for now, let's go back. Well, perfect, good. Thank you very much. Okay, so yep. GU hit support. Trinet. Yeah, how are you, Trinet? Actually, miss you so much, right? Yeah, we guys miss you so much. GU hits the support once again. Yes, exactly. This is the point. Yeah, it hits the support. Yeah, right. It hits the support, and likely we are going to take this. We are going to retest this area 1.21934. Okay, 1.21934. Okay, highly likely. Okay, so yeah, it should be around here, 934, huh? Okay, so let's see if this is going to, let's wait for it to go on the buy to retest this area. Then after that, we will look out for some selling. Okay. Anyway, we still have 15 minutes to go. Okay, 15 minutes to go. All right. Yep. And 15 minutes to go. Okay. Okay. Right. Yep. Okay, and so over here we need to check. Okay, the buying is still ongoing. Then see. Okay. Okay, right, so right now, let's see if this is, wow, okay, this is still ongoing. Okay, hi Jen Hui, nice to see you. Okay, let's see if the support's able to hold, if this support is going to hold it, and then we will see if there's a good chance. Okay, then we will continue the buying up to test into 121,934, or it's going to break. No action now. No action taken now. Okay, no, hang on first. Okay, hang on first. Right, hang on first. Okay. Yep. Okay, just hang on first. All right. Okay, it hits on the support now. Okay, and likely, let's see how it's going. Okay. Okay, hang on. Right, let's see. Okay, let me read this message. Yep. Okay. Yes, for right now, if you're looking out into this okay, this area here, and right, and let's see. So now, right now, no. No. I think it's not the right time yet. Okay, we are heading to the London market opening. Okay, we are heading to the London market opening. So hang on first. Okay, hang on first. Let's see. Okay, let's see if this the London market open and how's the whole situation is like before we take action. Okay, yeah, I think it's better that way. Okay, today, yep, today. Okay, let's check. Looks like today we still have this target here. Okay, sorry. Yeah, what's this? Okay, let me check this. Okay, sorry, I got it wrong. Okay, I pulled out the wrong chart. I got the wrong chart here. Okay, hang on. Yep. Let me see. Okay, and 122,188. Okay, that is the price for today. Okay, yep, that's the price for today. Okay. Yeah, so will that be a good chance for this to actually to look out for. We are actually now looking out that that this support, if this support holds well, okay, if this support holds very well, okay, we should be looking out into 121,934. Then after which, if this is able to break above, then we are looking out into 122,188. 122,188. Okay. Yeah, and if we are looking out, slowly we are looking out into this area here. This support today, it can be quite, it can be yeah, it can be a pullback. It can, yeah, this support can be a pullback area. Yeah. Correct, that's right. Okay. Yeah, it can be a pullback area. Yeah, not surprised. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And let's see. Yeah. Okay, we have about 7 minutes to go. Okay, we have about 7 minutes to go, and we see that let's take a look. Okay, today is Tuesday, right? For the past 2 days we have been selling off, and it's very, I would say, is well, is, I wouldn't say it's rare, but it's rare to see that is unable to clear the daily targets over there. Correct. So we are looking into clear some. I think pound dollar is really very weak. We can see a lot of institutional selling off. Correct. Yeah. So let's watch how it goes first. Even then, even if it's on the selling off, but we shouldn't be taking any, you know, any of these action taken, any rush action. You know, you get what I mean? Shouldn't have any rash action. Okay, so need to wait. Okay. Yep. Exactly. All right. Okay. So yep. And this area. Okay, this area over here, we are now looking into this area not to sell because we are right on the support. Okay, we are actually testing onto the support. Whether will it break or will it actually hold as a support to pull back during the London session? All right, then let's wait for a little while and see how it goes first, because it tentatively is really not there, neither here nor there. You know, you get what I mean? Okay, it's neither here nor there. All right, so in this case, I would prefer to wait for a little while more to make sure, right? To make sure that it is correct, okay, before we actually go into a trade. Yeah, okay, just a little while more. Okay, we have about 5 minutes to go, right? No hurry, right? Am I right? Okay, you see that too? Yeah, Bradley. Okay, okay, so just yeah, just hang on for a little while. Okay, we can still take a little while to see, right? Because anyway, if it's continue the selling, we have nowhere to sell at this point yet. Am I right? Correct. Okay, we for this point to sell off, this is a little bit too tight with only 4 pips. Yeah, with only 4 pips, right? So rather not to take the risk. Yeah. Yeah. So let's say if this is going to pull back as it's going to pull and close back as support, then I think it will be better. Right? Am I right? Yeah. So tentatively, by looking into the whole area here, it looks like it looks like buying, it looks like selling, it looks like buying, it looks like selling. So yeah, I think that is something. Generally, the selling is still promising, but let's see if this as we can see now tentatively it actually seems like it's breaking out the support area, right? Okay, this area here. So will this actually retest back into this area to go on the selling, or will it actually set up the support to continue to pull back to meet up with the resistance area? Then we will go for the selling later on. Okay, yeah. So right now, no. Okay, right now no action. Okay, just hang on first. Yeah. Okay, so let's wait for a little while. Okay, let's wait for a little while. All right. Looks like the selling is still very promising over into this area, huh? Yeah. We have one area, yeah. We have one area over here, okay, which if we should be looking out into one, we have about another 40 pips to go. 121 280, 141 280. Wow, that looks pretty good. 121 280. Okay, 121 280. Okay, yeah. Looks like it looks like more like this. Let's see if this is going to pull back to retest, and then with a new resistance to go, then I think it will be better that way. Okay, yeah. Wow. Okay, we have 2 minutes to go. Well, 2 minutes to go. Yeah. These 2 minutes. Okay, hang on. Don't be fooled by this. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Right. We are now actually waiting to see if there's a chance that we are selling off, but I will usually, for this case, let's wait for a pullback first. Right. Hi Manwai, nice to see you. Right. EU also breaking the support. Okay, let's take a look. EU, euro, dollar. Yeah. Wow, euro, dollar. Okay. Wow, euro dollar looks so promising. All right, euro dollar and pound dollar. Ooh, both are also good. Both are good. Okay, let's wait. I think now for the euro dollar, okay, it will be good that you wait for a little while to retest this area before we actually go for continue the selling. Okay, for euro dollar. But euro dollar, no, I think euro dollar may be retesting back a little bit higher up here. Yeah. Okay. So let's hang on first. Okay. Let's hang on first. All right. Yeah. So let's wait for this retest. Okay. We are going to retest into 105765, 767. All right. If this able to hold as a resistance, then we will go on for the selling if the resistance comes. Okay. Yeah, let's see. Okay, let's wait and see for this. The pound, the euro dollar, I think pretty good. Yeah, euro dollar is very promising. Yes, euro dollar is very promising. Okay, let's take a look at pound dollar. All right, pound dollar. How about the pound dollar? Pound dollar. Okay, let's wait. Let's see. The pound dollar is actually now also breaking through this area. I think pretty good. Okay, but looks like Let's take a look at pound dollar. Okay. Let's look at the pound dollar. Excuse me. Okay, pound dollar, we are looking into this area. Looks like we are now breaking through. We are breaking through this area to continue the selling. Oh, it looks like the selling is going to take 121,280. 121,280. Yeah. Well, let's see. We need to wait for a little while and see if this actually going to retest. Yeah, the support is here. Okay, the support is here. So retest this area, then after that we continue the sell-off. We should have about 40 pips down there. Okay, 40 pips. Okay, so let's take a look. From here, we have about 40 pips down there. 121,280 today. Wow, exciting, huh? Are you ready, guys? Okay, so let's have a plan on this pound dollar. Okay, we are going to wait for this. They are retesting now this area here. All right, but this area, it can be quite exciting. Okay, because 121,757. If, let's say, if this is going to retest back, okay, above 121,757, it may even go up to 121,934. 121,934. Okay, so if this is going to hold as a resistance, then we will see, then we will go down to take this level of 20 pips, around 20 pips, 16 pips, about 16 to 17 pips. Then after that, once it breaks this, we will see that it will have a good chance to go down to 121,280 with a total of almost a 60 pips. 60. All right, 60. Okay. Yep. Okay, so I guess this area today is going to be a good area for us. Right, so let's plot this out. Okay, this will be our area. Okay, this will be our area. Okay, let's see. Well, wow, it looks like everything is still so perfect. Okay. The only thing is that I just want a new resistance. Okay, I just want a new resistance. Okay, a new resistance to give us a new round of selling. Then I see that there will be a good chance down there. Alright, over here. We want a new resistance over here. Alright, so over at this point here, the lows has been taken out. Will it actually be setting up the support to get the highs up there? Okay, if that happens, better still. Okay, it's better. Alright, it's better. So we can take a look. Okay, alright. Alright, yes, Sabrina. Yeah, just wait. Yes, exactly, just wait. Alright. Yeah, today, well, let's see. We are closing up to form a resistance or to break above the support. Okay, to break above the support. Let's take a look at the euro dollar. Right, euro dollar. Well, seems like the euro dollar is also starting to go back for retesting into 105.757. 75.7. Okay, yeah. That's one. All right. Okay. Yes. What is that? Okay, No problem, also can, but no, but now because of the pound dollar is actually okay. Yes, hold the door. Yes, JJ, you're right. Okay, yes, for pound dollar right now, and let's see pound dollar. Yeah, okay, pound dollar. Yep, hold on. Okay, right. Okay. Yep, and let's see. Okay, so this is the one. Okay. Okay. And right now, let me see. What is that? I can't. I mean, read your message. Okay. You can wait for that, Christopher. You can wait. I will say that we can wait for the setup for the buy first. Okay, set up for the buy first. All right, set up for the buy, and from the buy side, okay, then we can go to 121.934. Okay, 934. Let's say if this set up a support to pull back, okay, to pull it back, because into this area it looks good. Yeah, it looks pretty good, but it may not be now. Okay, it may not be now. It may be pulling up. Okay, it may be pulling up. Okay, over here. Then after that, it may breaks this, then it go. But for now, currently, it is on the retesting. All right, Christopher is on the retesting here. So let's wait for this retesting. If this retesting concluded that it's not breaking above, then when it's confirmed it's not breaking above, like rejections, new resistance, okay, yes, then we will go on the selling. Okay, then we'll go for the selling. All right. Okay, so that's one point. Okay, so let's see. And over here, if I'm going for the selling now, it's dangerous because look at this, it seems like they are trying to break above the support to go buy, correct? Am I right? So we haven't got any confirmation yet. Okay, so let's say if this is going to form as a selling resistance, yep, it closed below, which is good. Okay, now it closed below, right? Guys, take a look. It closed below, which is good, all right? But when it is closing below, which is good, doesn't mean that we go for the selling right away. Okay, because we still need to wait for some confirmation. Like example, is forming a resistance down. Okay, then okay, let's form a resistance first. Then after that, it closed as a resistance below the area. That means the retesting successfully done. So it retests this as a resistance. Then we know that there's a resistance level here, correct? Then after that, we go for the selling. Okay, yeah. Of course, the rest of the time frame, of course, we need to check whether is this a good time to enter for a selling trade in general. Okay, then after that, then we will see how it goes. All right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it looks good, right? Now it looks pretty good. Yeah. Okay. If I'm going on the selling, this area now, it looks like because the closing, the opening is up here, so you can expect the next thing may be the closing may be here. Then this is the support. This is actually trying to go for a lower low. Am I right? It's not closing yet, so this one we have to take note. Okay, we need to take note. Okay, we need to be careful because it may close as a support and then continue to go further up. All right. Okay, so this area here, it can be very tricky. Correct? It can be tricky. Okay, so just be a little bit careful. Okay, yeah. Okay, euro dollar. How about the euro dollar? Okay, euro dollar. Right, euro dollar. Oh, it almost looks the same. Okay. So over at this point here, okay, let's see. All right, let's wait for a little while. Okay, yeah. For pound dollar, if you guys have your way to enter a trade like this, okay, please, you of course you can, all right, yeah, of course you can, all right. So like Sabrina, yeah, Sabrina was saying that over at this point here, in M1 actually doesn't show any good trigger in this manner. Okay, so it doesn't show any good trigger into this manner. Yeah, then probably you can wait for a little while. Yeah. Okay, so yep. And yes, of course. No, of course you can. Why not? All right. Yeah, it should be good. Yeah. It should be good for the selling when they close below this support area here. Then after that, all right, the next opening, okay, it will show that it closed below. Then the closing is there. Then we should continue the selling. Okay. Yep. All right. Yeah. Looks like if this is going to close as a resistance, then it's good. Okay. If this is going to close as a resistance, the candle is going to close in the next 2 minutes. It's going to close as a resistance. Then that will be good. Okay. Yeah. All right, guys. Do you mind if you can give me a little while? Let me go to my key bell. Okay, give me a little while, and I'll be right back. Okay. See you in a short while. Alright guys, I'm back. Thank you so much for your patience, and let's go with this. Okay, let's see how is the pound dollar going, right? Well, looks like it has a close right here. Not bad. Okay, we have a resistance now. Right below this area. So seems like it should be looking into some retesting, or will it actually continue down, because it just closed nicely at this wick here, right? Can you see? Okay, just closed nicely into this wick. Well, probably. Okay, let's wait and see if there's a good chance that this candle is going to go lower, then the selling will be coming, correct? Okay, then the selling will be coming. Okay, so let's wait and see. Okay, yeah, and let's take a look generally. Okay, generally looking into M15. Okay, M30 looks like this, we are entering into that area. H1. Okay, yeah, so at the moment, yeah, not yet. Okay, right, so we can see now looks like it's still pushing for some areas here to retest, right? Let's see if this is able to hold. Okay, not yet. Okay, not yet. Yeah. Not yet. Still looking for some resistance, I think. Yeah. If you continue the selling, also looking out for selling, but we must look out for a right time to sell. Correct? A right time to sell. Euro dollar the same. Okay. The same goes to the euro dollar. Yeah. So hang on. Okay. For this area here, we are still within this area here. Let's see if this is going to hold it as a resistance. Okay, this area is going to hold it as a resistance or not. Right. Okay. Hang on first. Yeah. We are actually looking into this area. We have just merely entered into this area. Okay, we are just merely entered into this area. So waiting for a new area, a new resistance to sell off, then we will continue the selling. Okay, if not, no. Okay, if not, we have to hold on first. Okay, yeah. If not, we have to wait first. Unless this candle is going to close below a lower low, then that will show the selling is still ongoing. Then that's fine. Okay, then that's fine to enter. Okay, yeah, because right now looking at this area here, yeah, within this first half an hour, it looks like there are still plenty of struggling. There's still plenty of struggling, huh? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, Christopher. A lot of time, this is the area that a lot of struggling. Looking at this area as a resistance. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Indeed, this area can be quite struggling here. So let's see if this price is going to hold below. All right. If this is going to still hold as a resistance to sell off again, then I think it will be better. Okay, as you can see, this candle, right? This candle is not breaking below, correct? It is not breaking below. Yeah, it's not breaking below. So not very how should I say? Not the right candle yet. Not the right time to sell off. Yeah. Okay. It's not the right time to sell off yet. Okay, so if it's still holding below here, I think we still have chance, because any point of time resistance may come in and it will continue the selling off. Okay, yeah, so can just hang on for a little while. It looks like it's going into a little bit of consolidation. Going to start, but not yet. Okay. What about the euro dollar? Let's take a look. Euro dollar. Yeah, euro dollar is testing out into the area. Okay, So probably the pullback is coming in, or the resistance is going to hold. Okay, same thing. It's working on the same thing, correct? Okay, so let's wait and see. All right. Yeah. We are getting very near. We're getting very near into deciding which way to go. Okay, we are into our profitable area. Right, we are into our profitable area. So once this profitable area is going to break below a low, okay, then that will be a very good chance for us. Okay, which I see is going to break. It should break 121.66.7. Okay, to hold below 121.75.7. Okay, so that will be the resistance area that we should be looking out for. Okay, yeah. And let's see. Okay, we should be here to here. This is about 3 pips, 10 pips. The resistance here, another 3 to hold it, and then likely to break this down, and we are looking down for 40 pips, right? Okay, it's about 40 pips down there to take. Yeah. Yes, Sabrina. Will the pound fight back today? So far, there isn't any sign of fighting back from the pound dollar. Okay, so yeah, maybe really have to wait for a little while. Okay. Yes. I still see that the pound is actually still weak. It's still weak. Okay, it's still looking weak. Yeah, but the thing is that of course there may be some pullback when even when it's weak. Okay, but it's just a matter of where and when. Where and when, correct? Okay. Yes. Okay, so now pound dollar, we are at this area, which is a bit tough. Whether it's going to break above, okay, whether it's going to break above as a support, or it's going to hold as a resistance to continue going for lower low. Okay, all right. So just hold on for a little while and see. What about the euro dollar? Let's take a look at euro dollar. Euro dollar, wow, what a good move here. Okay, so they are actually pulling back. Right, pulling back. Yeah, and let's see for the pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar, I think it should be now. Wow, struggling here. It's struggling into this area here. Yeah, correct. Right, still struggling in this area. We have about 6 minutes to M30 opening. We are still closing below this resistance, which is good. Okay, I'm waiting for, let's wait for the resistance to form up, like here, this area. Okay, yeah, we are very near, pretty near. Okay, let's see if that can hold it. If that can hold it well. If that can hold it well, of course it will be good. Okay, then it will be good. Right. Okay, hang on first. Alternatively, will it actually go on the selling side? Looks like okay. Yep. Yes. Sabrina, yes. Hubert, yeah. Oh, sorry, Fernando. We are waiting for a resistance to come in. Yeah, we are waiting for a resistance to come in. We are still waiting for the resistance to come in. Yes. Waiting. Yeah, still waiting. Okay, still waiting. Yes. Okay. Another 4 minutes to go to confirm the resistance here first, because right now looks like it's still going there but not there yet. Okay, still waiting. All right. Yeah. Usually this area is a bit I would say it can be quite tough. Okay, I would say it can be quite tough in a way that because if you are talking about selling, we are more onto the selling because we are in the selling area now. Okay, we are in the selling area now, right? But if you are talking about buying will need to break above the resistance here to break into the support area to form up a support, then can buy. Then we can go on the buying. If not, okay, then we will still be on the selling side. Okay, we are still in the selling side. Right, so I will, for my plan over here for the pound dollar, if this is going to continue the selling, the next candle to go lower low, okay, then the selling will be coming. Okay, then we can pump in a trade to sell off. Okay, over into this area, of course, along the way there may be some turbulence, but looking at 121,280 is a high chance that we are looking into this area to go for selling. So the target should be on today. Looking at this target should be 121,280. Okay, now, okay, this 121,280 may be today. Okay, if the selling is still pretty strong, okay, then the selling is still good to go. Okay, yes. Yep, so just hang on for a little while and let's see how it goes, because as I see as I still see there's still good chance. Yeah, yes. All right. Okay. Yes, if the 30-minute candle does not close below the previous candle, would you consider this as a resistance? Not formed yet. 30-minute. Okay. I'm talking about the I will be talking about the 5-minute. Importantly, is the 5-minute candle should close as green red and at the top here to form a green red as a resistance. Okay. Then of course, if this is going to, my question is, candle close 30-minute 1 hour effective enough to show whether, okay, because at the moment, this area, we are already in the resistance area. So if this green and red candle is going to close like this right now, okay, it will be a resistance. But to continue the selling, the next candle is to close below. Okay, in M5 here, to close below, and where you will see M30 candle will start to close below. Correct? Then it will be good. Then it should be continued. Then we are looking out for a lower low. Okay, then the lower low will be a good indication that for the pound dollar to continue the selling. Okay, right. Okay, like example like this now. Okay, we close as a resistance. Now we are closing as a resistance, but this resistance, it closed as a resistance, but it doesn't show it's a resistance. It's just showing that it may not be easy to break this area, but higher chance to go further down. But is it a good time to sell off? Not yet, because it has not shown us a lower low yet. Okay, yeah, okay. So let's wait and see. They seems like they are still, it's still trying very hard. Okay, it's still trying very hard. Okay, yeah. Yes, so still not there yet. Okay, so let's see if the next few candle will it actually bring to get out of this whole area here. Okay, it should close out of this area, then it will be very good. Okay, be patient. All right, be patient. You can see it started to, like earlier on, like I said, it seems like it started to do some have some accumulation here into a consolidation area. Correct? Yeah, so just hang on first. Yeah, right. So over at this point here, okay, that this area now, okay, this is another area that we need to take note. Okay, let's see. Okay, this area here, right? This area, okay, this area here. Yeah, okay, so candle must close below this region. Okay, must close below this region, because this area here, if this is going to close below, then we have a very good chance that it will continue the selling. Okay, it will have a good chance to show us that it's actually breaking out of this area and to go on the selling. Okay, so this area. Okay, how about the euro dollar? Euro dollar. Looks like the euro dollar is coming soon as well. Okay. Let's see how it goes. Euro dollar is actually forming. Looks like it's actually forming out. Euro dollar is started to form out the resistance now. Okay. Right. Looks like it's going to come back. Let's see if this euro dollar is going to close below 10.57.67. 10.57.67. Okay. Well, for pound dollar, that is good. Now it's good. So when you look at M30 now, it looks like we are going lower low again. All right, we have a continuity of selling over here. All right, so another selling block there. Okay, so hopefully, let's see how it closed. Importantly, how it closed. Right, how's the goal? Okay, let's take a look at the goal. Looks like the goal is also respecting EMA 50s. Okay, going to form down as selling. Okay, so pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. We are still struggling within this area here. Okay, let's wait. Okay, let's wait. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so this is the area. Okay, this is the area. Okay. We are actually looking into this beautiful area here. Okay, you can see this beautiful area here. But this is the beginning of this area, am I right? So the beginning of this area, usually what is going to happen is that, all right, what is going to happen is that it should form a good resistance within this area to sell off. Okay, all right. So yep, we need to wait for a while, be patient. It looks like it's actually forming some it's hovering around this area, huh? Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yep. Derek, hi Derek. GJ cut profit. Okay, GJ. Okay, nice. Okay, congratulations. Okay, so yeah, GJ is still on the selling side, huh? Yes, GJ is on the selling side. Correct. Yep. Okay, let's take a look at the pound dollar. Pound dollar. Yeah, we have unfortunately unfortunately the candle didn't close below. Correct. The candle didn't close below. We want the candle to close below, right? Okay, but the candle didn't close below. It's still hovering around this area. It's going to take a while. So what to do? Okay, what to do with that? Okay, so just hang on. Okay, just wait for a while. Okay, let's see. Well, candle to close below this area. Well, it may go this way, sideways a little bit, then after that breaks below to go on the selling. It may, yeah, it may happen that way, as long as it's holding below this resistance. Okay, as long as it's holding below the resistance, and any selling can be possible. Yeah, yes, any selling can be possible. Okay. Yeah. So just hang on for a little while. I think it's actually going into a consolidation. Yeah, euro dollar is actually moving towards the north now. That worries me in a way that if euro dollar, if this is going north, it may also is an indication that the dollar is getting weak. Okay, yeah, because in terms of the dollar index, as we know, euro is having the most weight, is the most weight in terms of weightage. Okay, euro dollar is standing at the most highest percentage there. So it can be an indication there for the pound dollar to move towards according to the euro dollar. Yeah, correct. Okay. So, but as long as it's holding below the resistance, we still have a chance to go on the selling. Okay. So let's see. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Just now we were talking about this area, right? 121.701, this area. Yeah, if this candle is going to stop above this area, that means they are going to retest that area, the resistance once again. It's going to be a long time. Okay, it's going to take a while. Okay, it's going to take a while anyway. Yeah, all right. It's going to take a while. Then we will see how it goes. I think no harm waiting. Okay, no harm waiting. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yes, Sabrina. We are waiting. We are waiting. Anyway, because currently I see that because you see just now we plotted this area here. Yeah, it stopped right at the area here as a support now. So it's closing up this gap. This area here is getting smaller and smaller. Pressurized. So looks like sideways, going sideways can be quite high chance. Okay, yeah, can be quite a high, yeah, quite high a chance that it's still going sideways for the pound dollar. Right. If the euro dollar, let's see, I think still okay. All we have to do is to wait now. Can it still be holding down as unless it breaks 121.701 out of this range first? Break below this range. You got to break below this range. Okay. Yeah. When it breaks below this range, then I think there will be a higher chance. Okay, there will be a higher chance there. Higher chance there, but looks like, you see, looks like now, okay, looks like now they are testing to break above, correct? Looks like they are testing to break above now, break into the support area. Looks like they are going to break below, yeah, correct. Okay, so it closed above there. It closed above the support area. Am I right? Okay, so no selling yet. No selling yet now. Okay, no selling yet now. Okay, this is not a good chance for the selling yet. All right. Okay. No, this is not a good chance for the selling. No selling, no selling. No. Okay. So will it be a good chance for the buy now? It looks like it's a good chance for the buy, huh? Am I right? Okay. If I'm going for a buy now, of course, I don't suggest yet. Okay, it should be retesting up into the area there to set up the buy. Okay, if not, don't know yet. Okay. I think better to wait. Okay. Okay, hang on first. Hang on for this area here. It's tough, right? Okay, yeah, it's tough. If we are going for a buy, we are against the trend. Okay, but if we are going for the selling, now it's breaking into the support area, whether they will actually have a pullback. Correct? Yeah, a lot of uncertainty. Correct? There's a lot of uncertainty. Yeah. If there's a lot of uncertainty, then I think hang on first. Yeah. It's really not a good time to go into any decision yet. Yeah. Well, this is this area here. Okay, this area here, when it close below this area, it will still be in the resistance area, which I think is still good. Yeah, which I think it is still good. Okay, which I think is still good. Okay. Yeah. Now let's wait for it to close and see how it goes first, because at the moment, okay, at the moment we still have about 15 minutes to the next H1 opening. Yeah, which you see at the rate that is going, seems like they are pulling back. Am I right? Seems like they are pulling back. Correct? Yeah. Okay. In general, okay, we are entering into the next H4. So the next H4 there may be some change of trend. Yeah, there may be the pullback may come in the next H4. Yeah, can you see that actually when we are actually run into a situation of going sideways, we are actually repeating ourselves because it's going sideways, correct? So we are going sideways, guys. Okay, yeah. Gold is reacting differently to GU now. Okay, let's see. Oh, the gold is taking a right above now. It hits on 1911.6 now. Okay, so it's bringing the price up. Okay. Yep. And wow, I think it's almost the same, huh? We are actually entering into this area, going to sell off to target 1905. But once they enter into this area, they have some pressure there. Correct? There's some pressure. So I think this may be an area, okay, that they may be still holding as a support. Well, let's see, because we have another area here. Okay, this area here. Yeah. Okay, just hang on first. If this is going to break like a 1913 into this area now, yeah, there may be a good chance the buying is still ongoing. Okay, yeah. Right, so yep, let's come back to pound dollar. Pound dollar. Okay, looks like this area here. Oh my god. Okay, sideways. High chance the sideways is ongoing. Okay. Well. Let's wait and see for this. Okay. Oh, this is so challenging, huh? It looks like it's very challenging now. Let's see if this is going to test into this and how how is it going to react to this? Confusing. That's why we wait. Yeah, we wait. Okay, we must have a very clear signal. Okay, if this is not going to be a clear signal, then I think it's not going to be very beneficial for us to enter a trade. Okay, yeah. Hi Joshua, the selling is too much. You mean for pound dollar? Do you mean for pound dollar? I see there's more. Okay, but there may be some pullback, that's all. Okay, there may be some pullbacks, right? Then yes, Sabrina, it's a good time to have some chocolate. Yes, indeed. Okay, so yep, and I see that probably, yeah, get to see the pound is let's see if this pound dollar is going to sell off after it closed right below. Okay, looks like coming soon as well. Okay, euro dollar. Oh, euro dollar started to sell off. Okay, yep, all dollar pairs looks like, all dollar pairs, yep. Okay, anyway, yeah, we just need to take a look at this. Okay, just focus. Okay, just focus because pound dollar, if I'm selling, I'm looking out for pound dollar because pound is very weak now, as we can see, right? And we are actually looking into selling of the pound dollar. Okay, like for example, like now the pound dollar, are we going to get out of this range here? It seems like, you know, it's actually getting in this area, hovering around this area, the price. So it is still, we are still looking into 40 pips down there. This area is still very profitable. Am I right, guys? We are still, this area is still very juicy to us. It's so juicy, yeah. Okay. Okay, so this whole area, yeah. Wow, this, if this actually gets in and start the selling to 121, 280, it will be kind of a very good shot. Yeah, it should be a very good shot down there. Okay, it should be a very good shot down there. Yeah. I guess you are not the only one that looking for this area to short. We are all waiting. Yes, Christopher, you're right. Okay, let's see how it closed. We have yep, nice. Okay, just a little bit more now. Just a little bit more. We have missed out. Okay, it closed above this area here. Okay, let's see. Hopefully the selling, the next candle can close lower to form up the selling. All right. Okay. Just be careful, guys, because the closing is still within the range. Okay, we are still within the range. All right, from this candle here. All right, into this range here. We are still in the range here, but the good thing is that we are below the resistance once again. Okay, we are below the resistance once again, so that is the good thing. Okay, that's the good thing for this. All right. Okay, so yep, as long as it keep below. Okay, as of now, if this, of course, if this candle, if this is going to close right below, if it's now going down lower, it's good. It's very good. Okay, if this is going to close lower, of course it's best. Then if this, then it will show the selling is still ongoing. Okay, then it will show that the selling is still ongoing. All right. Then the next thing is that if this is going to retest, you can see this is the area that I plot out at 121,701. can see candle went up, it stopped there, got rejected. If this is going to stay, it's good because this is going to become the next resistance. This has become the next resistance level. Okay, then the next round to open up with a resistance, then we can see a new lower resistance is coming to go lower low. Then it will be fantastic. Okay, yeah, then it will be fantastic to go down the target down there at about 121,280. 121,280. Okay, yeah, I see. I mean, personally, I see that way. Okay, yeah, okay. Still, I think still struggling there, right? It's still struggling around that area. Okay. Well, let's see. Yeah. Okay, will that recover this to test into this resistance or to go back again here? Okay. Yeah. anyway, this is sideways, huh? Okay, it's happy to come down. Okay, boring to see it up. Correct. Yeah. So not much diff. As I see, not much difference there. Correct. Yeah. This 5 minutes it can be going up. The next 5 minutes and coming down. Well, it's going to be boring, going sideways. Yeah. Okay. But no worries. Even if it's going sideways, I think that's fine. Okay. If it's going sideways downwards, okay, going sideways downwards, I think it's good that way. Okay. So we have highs here, lower highs here. If this is going to close with lower, and again to go lower, it's going very slowly downward, downtrend. Correct. It's going very slow downtrend. Now we are in the sideways. We're in the sideways. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So sideways. Yes. Today, yeah, we only have consumer confidence today. All right. So not so much of a concern now. Okay. Yeah. Well, let's wait and see. Okay. Let's wait and see. I think that is not a lot of impact on the pound dollar. Okay. Yeah. Generally, I think it should now. Okay. Now, of course, for pound dollar, we can see that it's actually moving towards the south. Am I right? Okay, it's moving towards the south. That's right. But then again, is that there are certain areas that we will be stuck in, maybe retracement, pullback, or sideways. For example, right now we are actually having a sideways. Correct. The moment from the start here, we see actually it breaks below. Correct. It breaks below the support. Then it actually going in. Just now we were already preempt ourselves that it's actually going into a sideways, right? So not surprised, it's actually going to a sideways. But our target, okay, looks like by looking into this pound dollar, we are moving into 121,280. 121,280. Yeah. Okay, so we are already in this profitable area. Okay, but this is the beginning of the profitable area. So there may be some turbulence this area. Once it breaks through, it should drop very freely. Okay, it should go very freely. Yeah. Okay. That's right. Yeah. Which area? Christopher. The low of this area. Let me check. Okay, let me check. Okay, so over here. Okay. The low is actually running at 121.66.4, and this low is actually running at 121.66.8. But the thing is that the closing, it closed within the range. It closed within the range. That is the part that is giving a lot of headaches. Okay, Christopher. Yeah. Yes. Not surprised. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Yes, Carol. But if you are looking at the closing low at the range, but I also see that the closing at the peak is actually still within the resistance level, which I see still very promising to sell off. Yeah, you are okay. Carol is talking about this area, right? Yeah. Okay, so you see, we have this area. Okay, we have a lot of this area that we can see that is actually rejected from the resistance. Am I right? Okay, yeah, a lot of rejections from the resistance, which is good, which is still good. Okay, which is still good. That's why I'm still looking out for the selling. Okay, so over at this point here, we can see that the selling off, then now go a little bit sideways, some consolidation here, and the resistance over at this part here is still remains very consistent. Okay, still remain very consistent into this level, correct? But the good thing about this, the selling here, is actually we can see the sellers are actually able to push slightly lower, correct? Here to here to here. Yeah, okay, it's still going slightly lower and lower, which is still good, right? Which is still good. Yeah, I think this is a way that you are talking about the resistance, okay, where I see that the resistance over here, which is still very good for the sellers. Okay, it seems like they're attracting more sellers in. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So at the moment, I will still see that this area here, we are still within this range. There's nothing much we can do. Yeah, there's nothing much we can do in this range. Yeah, it's just about when they will get out of the range. Okay, let's say it's going to break below because it's still holding down. Let's say if it's still holding below the resistance area and it's still breaking down below, okay, lower, okay, then of course it's good. We are looking into that area. Am I right? We are looking into that situation to happen. Then the selling will still be good. Correct. Okay, so yep, H1 is going to open. So let's take a look how it's going to be like. Okay, looks like even this is going to form up a resistance to close as a resistance as well. Let's see if the M30 as well and the H1 is going to open up with a resistance. Okay, so that I think then it will be very good. Okay, then it will be very good. Okay, so well, it opens. Well, looking at this area here, we are closing down here with this resistance. We also have a resistance closing down within the resistance area as well. Okay, so looking into this, we have a resistance coming in, and M30 looks like they are forming up the resistance to continue the selling off. So we are going to test. We are going to test into the bottom. We are going to test into the bottom. Right. Okay. Let's take a look. We are going to close. We are going to close up. This candle is going down to test into the low here. Right. Looks like the selling is coming, guys. Okay. But again, we are still in the range. Yes. But again, we are still in the range. You're right. Exactly. Yep. Okay, let's take a look at the euro dollar since the new hour has actually coming in. Okay, looks like the The euro dollar is pushing in to test the resistance again up there. Okay. Yeah, let's see if this resistance able to hold, then they'll be coming back to take this area. So you should have about 16 pips. About 16. Yeah, 16 pips to go. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Alright, month-wide. Okay, that's for month-wide, the euro dollar. Okay, so euro dollar, we can take a look. Okay. Okay, yeah. I see the chat over here. Yeah, you guys are really very funny, huh? Okay. Okay, euro dollar looks like they are still waiting for it to take the resistance up there first. Okay. Yeah, pound dollar. Okay, so for the pound dollar, we are still within the range here. Okay, we are still within this range here. Okay, so looks like still quite a while to go. Okay, looks like this is actually not yet there, not there yet. Okay, so pound dollar. Wow, looks like the resistance is still there to hold. Okay. Yeah, looks like the resistance is still there to hold, huh? Perhaps, yeah. Anyway, if that is the case, we may need a longer time. Okay, we may need some. Now we are waiting for a longer time now. Okay, yeah. Okay, so yep, I guess for the pound we will need to wait for a little while. Okay, guys, let's take a look at the pound. If this is going to break above to retest this as a support, then the buying is highly possible to take 121.934. If this is going to still form as a resistance to break lower out of this range, okay, then the selling will be coming in. Okay, all right, yeah. So I guess that should be all for now, guys. Okay, we will wait for a while and let's see. And this area here, okay, this area here, okay, we are still now testing into the resistance there. Okay, we are still testing into the area of resistance here. Yeah, so you know, this is area that neither here nor there. Okay, yeah, it's neither nor. All right, so just be patient. Okay, right, guys. So I think that should be all for today over here. Okay, so just bear in mind that for the pound dollar, if we are looking out for some buying, okay, make sure we're going to retest this area to set up the buy. Okay, then we go. All right, if not, then we will have to stay away. Okay, then we have to stay away for a while. All right, then if this is going to close right below, then selling is highly possible. Okay, all right, yeah. So I think that should be all for now. Okay, so right now, okay, let me see. It's actually now seems like they are breaking through to test into this level here. All right, then if this is going to hold as a resistance to sell off, yeah, I think this area will be so much better. Okay, yeah, I think it should be all now. Okay. Yeah, okay, all right. Okay, so guys, I shall see you tomorrow once again, same time. Okay, then let's wait for this pound dollar. I think it's still there. Okay, thank you so much, guys, and well, thank you, Bradley, thank you, E. All right, thank you for everything, everybody. Well, I shall see you again. Well, I shall wish you good luck and with bountiful profits later on. Okay, and see you tomorrow. Thank you so much, guys. All right. Okay, and this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. See you again. All right, tomorrow. Well, thank you so much. See you again.